Welcome to the Beauty for All Eyebrow Waxing Treatment Tutorial. Your ultimate guide to beautiful eyes. Start off with heating your wax. Whether you choose soft or hard wax, put your wax into the warmer and turn it on, giving it ample time to warm up. Cleansing. While your wax is warming, cleanse your entire face of any makeup and oils. Having excess makeup or debris on the face can prevent wax from fully adhering to the hair. Having a clean, smooth surface will work best. Apply your wax. To begin, use a small amount of wax and apply the wax under your eyebrow around the area you have mapped out. You can take off more hair, you can't add it back, so be sparse in the beginning until you feel comfortable.
I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll
tweeze
come
and touch up.
desperate.
Once you have fully waxed the bottom, in between, and above your brows, use tweezers to pluck any stray hairs that are left over from waxing. Brush all the hairs on your brows in an upward fashion. Use your scissors to trim the longer hairs to give a uniform length. Take just one small area of hair and trim. Remember, you don't want blotchy or patchy trimming, so don't go crazy and cut all your hair at the same time. You can even do each hair at a time. Always trim in the direction of the brows and never down into the brows.
Always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid.
Apply post-care waxing lotion, gel, oil. Whichever product you choose in your wax kit for your post-wax bundle, apply it on a clean cotton swab all over the areas you have waxed to cleanse and soothe the area.
My heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt.
There you have it.
Never really know just what
Your
you
guide on
want.
how to wax eyebrows step
you,
by
I don't
step
ever
isn't so
feel
intimidating
calm.
anymore.
I
And
can
we
feel the
hope
sweat
you've gained the
inside my
confidence.
palm.
We know you have to get
Play
out
with me
there
like
and
cats
try
and a
it.
string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to
Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.
Set me free.